mile away. Yeah, son, we about to go in, about to go in, about to make your head spin.
Chip,
That's how we
beat
do
the
it.
beat.
Yeah, about to ride on it all day, back in G-Way. About to hand it back to my RA. Knows how to do it all day. Donovan.
Yo, you know what they call me, Donovan, aka Mr. Seal. I don't know why, but when they say that, I calmly reply, I'm the man, I got Heidi Klum on my side. And this chick, she is kinda ready to ride. When I say let's go, she like where? She don't really care. Long as I'm by her side, she ready to do anything in my side. I don't know what I'm saying right now. This junk is kinda blurry in my head right now. Since from day one, I've been a little kinda crazy. I never smoked Miss Daisy, but what can I say? The boy gets very lazy from time to time. That's why I got to rewind the thoughts going in my mind. Hey, like every day, I'm drinking pineapple juice, cough syrup. What? Did I say cough syrup? My name ain't Wayne, but I try not to go insane. When I jump on the beat, it's like my brain's going front, back, side to side, everything in a box. I'm trying to knock this bitch at the park, White Sox. I'm trying to knock this bitch at the park, White Sox. At the park, White Sox. That's it, that's it. That last one, I'm trying to knock this bitch out the park, White Sox. I want to see that.